Teams, now is going to be a very, very interesting round of questions for you. We call it, okay, we'll have the scores now.
At the end of the second round, we have Team D leading with 30 points, followed by Team A with 15, Team F with 10, Team C with 5 points, and Team B and E have yet to open their account.
They have yet to open. This time they'll open the account, don't worry teams. I call this round World Tour, around the world in 10 minutes. So we all now have to prepare ourselves for a world tour. You are all ready? Ready? So pack up all your bags and baggages and get ready for the trip. We'll be visiting most of the continents now, right? But there is a condition. While coming with me for this tour, you are supposed to blindfold yourself, right? The moment I reach the continent, I'll collect some information from that continent and will supply it to you. Is it clear? I'll collect some information from some public information centers there and will supply it to you. The moment I give you the first information, if you can guess the name of the country, because you are blindfolded, you cannot see the country now. If you can guess the name of the country, you are getting 20 points, right? You can wait there for my second clue. Then you are getting 15 points. If you are answering my question on the third clue, you get 10 points. And for the final clue, it is 5 points. Is it clear? And it is not a transferable round. Clear? Team A. Here is your first clue. This country is the only East Asian country which was never taken by European powers.
Second clue.
Second clue. This country was part of Mon and Khmer kingdoms.
Third clue.
Its exotic food is gaining high popularity these days.
Malaysia.
Malaysia. Malaysia is the wrong answer. You could have gone for the last final clue too. Any guessing other teams? Thailand is the correct answer. So no points to team A.
It's a non-transferable round?
It is.
So
it
sorry,
is,
you don't get any
we
points
won't
for
get.
that.
So the second clue. The name of this country means silver.
Next clue. Next clue.
Next clue. 85% of its population is urban.
Argentina.
Argentina, correct answer. So 15 points to team B. I told you that you would open your account this time. You have opened, right? That too is at 15 points. Very good. Congratulations. The third question of this round to team C. You said Argentina, right? You said Argentina.
Yes.
Okay. This is the smallest country in Africa.
Next clue.
It is an archipelago consisting of 115 islands.
Next clue.
It is a well-known tourist spot.
Next clue.
Last clue for 5 points. This is a popular destination for Bollywood industry's shooting.
Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe, wrong answer, wrong answer. Correct answer is Seychelles. Its capital is Victoria. And this is a republic. And this country is popular for its biodiversity. You can see that biodiversity there, right, on the visual. Question to team D. This country was originally inhabited by Maoris.
Next clue, please.
It was the first country to give women their their right to vote.
Next clue, please.
Many indigenous plants are unique to this island country.
Last clue.
Last clue. You will give an answer to this question, I think. Its cricket team, Black Caps, is very, very popular.
Zimbabwe.
Zimbabwe? Wrong answer. Correct answer is New Zealand. New Zealand. Cricket team. It's an island country in the Pacific Ocean. Your question, Team E. This country has one of the world's largest human-made lakes called Nassau.
Second clue.
It has land both in the Asian and in the African continents.
Third clue.
This country lies in northern Africa.
Egypt.
Egypt, correct answer. So 10 points to Team E. Very good. Congratulations.
Very well done. Very well done.
Even after many excavations, still now the mystery of Egypt remain mysterious, right? We couldn't unravel. And the last question of this interesting world tour to Team F. The major part of this country was known as Anatolia. And that part is in Asia.
Next clue.
Its largest city was first known as Byzantium or Byzantium.
Next clue.
The modern secular republic was established by Kemal Ataturk.
Next clue.
Going for the next clue. Its blue mosque is famous world over. Blue mosque. Make a guessing. Yes. Come on.
Yemen.
Yemen, wrong answer. The correct answer is, audience, Turkey. Turkey is the correct answer. Part of the country is in Asia and the other part is in Europe. With that, we come to an end of this round of questions.